Hello everyone. After installing comfyUI, the first extension to install. Part 1. comfyUI Manager installation. Open the browser. Enter comfyUI Manager. Remember to identify this one on GitHub. Click the code drop-down menu. Click the copy button. Open File Explorer. Find the path where you installed comfyUI. Click into it. Find the comfyUI folder. Click into it. Find the Custom Nodes folder. Click into it. Click the left mouse button here. Enter CMD. Press the Enter key. A command window will pop up. Enter git clone. Then right-click, and it will automatically paste the installation URL you just copied. Press the Enter key to start the installation. After the installation is complete, you can close the command window, return to File Explorer, open comfyUI. You can see the Manager button here. Congratulations, the installation is complete. Part 2. Introduction comfyUI Manager. Click Manager button. The first button is Extension Management. In comfyUI, it is called Custom Nodes. In Stable Diffusion Web UI or Forge, it is called Extensions. No matter what it is called, it is the management of installing, removing, and upgrading extensions. After clicking in, there is a filter here. All plugins. Already installed. Installed and activated. Installed but not activated. The rest will not be explained one by one. Simple English words will not stump everyone. You can search for plugins here. Let us install a monitoring support plugin to try it out. Enter ChrisTools. The one to install is this one. Click the Install button to install. Some plugins will pop up a version selection. Nightly is the latest version, but stability is not guaranteed. It is mainly used by developers to test new features and for users who like to try the latest version. Latest is the official latest stable version. The rest are some older versions. Generally, people will choose latest to install. Click the Select button to start installing the plugin. After installation, a restart is required. Click the Restart button. comfyUI is restarting. Restart completed. Click the Confirm button. The comfyUI Resource Monitoring plugin is installed. Let us check the Install section. It appears in the installed list. 4 function buttons on the right. Try updating. Switch version. Disable plugin. Uninstall plugin. If the plugin you want is not found in the manager, you can also install it using a URL. The URL installation method is this. You should understand it now, right? This URL installation also has a button outside. Now let us talk about the second most useful function. It can help you automatically install missing custom node plugins in the workflow. If there is no special setting, images generated by comfyUI will come with the workflow. Let us try it out. Go to File Explorer and find an image generated by comfyUI. Drag the image directly onto the comfyUI desktop. The workflow that generated this image is loaded. since this comfyUI does not have the plugins used in this image as workflow. A missing plugin warning window appears. These two plugins are missing. Nodes with missing plugins will be framed in a red box. Let us fill in the missing plugins. The two missing plugins will appear here. This one only has nightly, so we have to use it. After installing everything, remember to restart. It is that simple to fill in the missing plugins. This function is really useful. Now let us talk about the remaining functions. This is model management. Many models can be downloaded directly from here. For example, the commonly used upscaling function model. It is here. If you have used these before, you should be familiar with these files. To use these models, just install them directly. Of course, some models require plugins to work together. This has been mentioned. Update the version of comfyUI and the installed plugins. Only update the version of comfyUI. Sometimes certain plugins require the latest core version, so click here. Switch comfyUI version. The switching method is the same as switching plugin versions. Check for available updates, including the comfyUI core program and custom nodes. Restart comfyUI. Information window. There is often comfyUI update information. For example, it mentions here, comfyUI v0.3.14 supports Lumina Image 2.0. If you want to use Lumina Image 2.0, you need to upgrade to comfyUI v0.3.14. So how do you check the current version of comfyUI? Close comfyUI Manager. There is a settings button in the bottom left corner. Click About. The version of comfyUI is here. The above is the installation and introduction to the basic commonly used functions of comfyUI Manager. If this video has helped you, remember to help La Abe subscribe, share, and press the little bell. Thank you everyone, wishing you health and happiness.